Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, working as an assistant professor in RPIT campus. So in this video, we are going to discuss our next topic, that is management and decision making. So these two terms are very interrelated. That process is that form of backbone of any organization functioning. So first of all, we have to discuss what is management. So management is the process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling resources like human, financial, physical and information to achieve the organizational goals efficiently and effectively. There are some key functions of management like planning, organizing, leading and controlling. So our second is decision making. So decision making is a process of selecting the best course of action from available alternative to achieve specific objective. It is an essential part of management process and occur at every level of organization. There are some steps in the decision making process. That is, first is identifying the problem, second is gathering the information, third is developing alternative, fourth is evaluating alternatives, fifth is selecting the best options, and sixth is implementing the decision, and last is monitoring and evaluating. So there are some types of decision in management. Like first is strategic decision, that is a long term decision that affects the entire organization. Their example is like entering a new market and launches a new product. Second is tactical decision, that is a medium term decision that support strategic objective like setting departmental goals and resource allocation. Next is operational decision, that is a short term day to day decision that ensures smooth operations like scheduling shift, ordering supplies. So next is what is the relationship between management and decision making. As we can talk about the management, what is management and what is decision making. So here we have discussed about the relationship between both of them. Like first is integral part of management. So decision making is an embedded in all the managerial functions like planning, organizing, leading and controlling. There are some levels of management and decision making. First is top management, second is middle management, and third is lower management. Like in top management, we have take strategic decisions. In middle management, we have take tactical decisions, and in lower management, we take operational decision. And there is some dynamic nature. So both management and decision making must be adapted to changing environments such as new technologies, market trends, or economic conditions. There are some types of decision making models. Like first is relational decision making model. In this we have logical step by step approach based on the data and analysis, like using financial metrics to decide on an investment. Second is bounded rationality model. In this, we have decisions are made within the limits of available information and time, like choosing the satisfactory option rather than the optimal one. Next is intuitive decision making model. In this model, we relies on experience and gut feeling, like a manager sensing a market opportunity based on the past trends. Next is group discussion making model. In this model, it involves collaboration and consciousness. Like example like brainstorming sessions to develop a new marketing strategy. Sixth is like factor influencing the decision making. There are several factors like internal and external. First is internal factor like organization goals, resources, and corporate culture. Second is external factor that includes economic conditions, technological advancement, and computers. There are some challenges in the decision making, like first is uncertainty, like a lack of complete information about future outcome. Complexity that involves multiple variable and stakeholder. Biasness, it personal or cognitive bias may affect judgment. And time constraint, limited time to gather the analyzed report. Next is resistance to change, employees or stakeholder may oppose decision. So next topic is the role of information system in decision making, like data collection and analysis, forecasting, supports tool, and collaboration. So we discuss about the real world example of management and decision making. First is strategic decision, like Amazon deciding to enter the cloud computing market with AWS. This is the latest example of management and decision making. Second is tactical decision, like a company firm deciding to automate a production line to improve efficiency. Operational decision example is a real store manager adjusting staff based on the daily sale trends. So this is about the management and information, how they interrelate with each other, how they how what are their types and other things. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much.